Doing 15 pull-ups every day might sound simple, but the impact it has on your body, strength, and confidence is far greater than most people imagine. Pull-ups are one of the most complete upper body exercises ever created. They require no equipment except a bar, no gym membership, and no complicated technique. Yet they train muscles that many people struggle to develop even after months of working out. That is why adding just 15 daily pull-ups to your routine can transform the way your entire upper body looks and performs. Pull-ups mainly target your back muscles, especially the lats, but they also activate your biceps, shoulders, forearms, core, and even your grip strength. Most exercises focus on one or two muscle groups at a time, but pull-ups train your body as a single connected system. This full-body engagement creates a type of strength that is both functional and visually noticeable. When you do 15 pull-ups every day, you are building a back that is wider, stronger, and more athletic without spending hours in the gym. One of the biggest advantages of daily pull-ups is progressive strength gain. At first, 15 might feel challenging. Your muscles might shake, your grip might feel weak, and you may struggle to complete each repetition. But the magic happens when you push past that discomfort. Your body responds quickly because pull-ups are a natural movement pattern. With consistency, your nervous system adapts, your muscles become more efficient, and 15 pull-ups slowly become easier. This is where real progress begins, because once 15 feels easy, your muscles are stronger, more stable, and more resistant to fatigue. Another powerful benefit of doing 15 pull-ups every day is the improvement in posture. Modern life forces many people to spend hours sitting, using phones, or working on computers. This creates rounded shoulders, weak upper backs, and poor posture. Pull-ups reverse these problems. Every time you lift your body up toward the bar, you strengthen the muscles that keep your shoulders pulled back and your spine aligned. As the days pass, you begin to stand taller, look more confident, and move with better balance. Good posture does not just make you look better. It reduces pain, boosts breathing, and improves overall physical performance. Pull-ups also have a major impact on fat loss and body composition. Even though the exercise is not cardio, it burns a high amount of calories because it engages large muscle groups. Bigger muscles require more energy, both during exercise and at rest. This means doing 15 pull-ups every day can help you burn fat even after your workout is finished. With time, your waist becomes slimmer, your back becomes more defined, and your arms look more athletic. Pull-ups create a naturally aesthetic V-shaped physique. Wide shoulders, wide back, and a tight core. Besides physical changes, daily pull-ups build tremendous mental strength. Pull-ups are not easy. Even strong people struggle with them. Every time you grab the bar and lift your body, you are challenging gravity, weakness, and self-doubt. Completing 15 reps every day builds discipline. It teaches you consistency, patience, and self-control. These mental skills are just as valuable as muscle strength because they carry over into every part of life. When you commit to doing 15 pull-ups daily, you commit to becoming a stronger version of yourself. Another benefit is improved grip strength, which plays an important role in many everyday activities and fitness movements. A strong grip improves lifting ability, prevents injuries, and enhances athletic performance. As you hang on the bar each day, your forearms become tougher, your fingers stronger, and your overall endurance higher. Grip strength is also closely linked to long-term health and longevity, making this daily practice even more valuable. Doing 15 pull-ups every day also boosts core strength in a way many people do not realize. When you lift your body, your core stabilizes every movement. This makes your abs stronger and more functional than many traditional ab exercises. A strong core improves posture, balance, and athletic performance, and reduces the risk of injuries in daily life. The best part is that 15 daily pull-ups take only a few minutes. You can complete them at home, in a park, or even in your room if you have a door frame bar. This makes the habit extremely easy to maintain. No excuses, no complicated routine, just simple daily discipline. Over time, this small daily investment creates major results. Your back becomes stronger, your arms become more sculpted, your posture improves, your core becomes firmer, and your confidence grows. You move better, feel better, and look better. The transformation might be gradual, but it is guaranteed. That is the power of doing 15 pull-ups every day. A simple exercise, a short routine, but a massive upgrade to your strength, physique, and mindset.